So, ultrasonic cleaning in under 60 seconds. Ultrasonic cleaning is simply high-frequency sound waves causing vibrations through a cleaning solution. The sound waves create micron-sized bubbles that grow and then implode with each sound wave, thousands of times a second. During implosion, the bubble becomes a suction jet travelling at speeds up to 400 km per hour. With a combination of pressure, temperature and velocity, this jet lifts dirt off any object in the solution. Because of the small size of the jet and the relatively large energy, ultrasonic cleaning has the ability to reach into small crevices and remove entrapped dirt very effectively. Non-destructive and non-abrasive because it operates at the microscopic level it can clean to amazing high standards, good enough even to clean surgical instruments. Moreover, the use of water-based chemicals in the cleaning product means that disposal of waste solution is usually a very simple process. Safe, simple and effective. That's ultrasonic cleaning. And that's what we do. If you think we can be of use to you, call Sonic Solutions on 01924 495 975 or visit us at www.sonicsolutionsLtd.com. Thank you.